Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to hide visibility on Instagram. So first of all, open Instagram account. Click on the profile icon. Look at the right corner, tap on three line. Settings and privacy. Scroll down. Tap on this. Show active status. And you can need to just turn off. Okay, now done. That's how we can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.